model, 2016 Mercedes Sprinter 313 CDI 3.5T long non-runner Enginge is seized VAT inclusive. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 280,233. MOT, the 1st of March 2025. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 129 HPA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and won't turnover, engine has seized, the fridge unit still works perfectly grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.